Heart health options become increasingly more important the older you get. And in a town like Great Falls, where over 70% of the population is above the age of 21, having heart health options becomes more vital.
It's really for patients with aortic disease, whether a valve that's leaking or a valve that's narrowed. And generally, these patients have a replacement of their valve or repair of their valve.
What Dr. Malte is referring to here is the Ross procedure, a specialized open heart surgery that helps repair the aortic valve in people with aortic disease, a life-threatening condition where the heart's artery cannot properly pump blood, a disease you may expect to find in older patients.
It's typically a procedure that's been designed for kids and then young adults. And usually patients have to be below 50. They usually have to have 15 to 20 years of lifespan, right?
Smoking, high blood pressure, and genetics often play a role in aortic disease, making many Montanans at risk. Where in the past this procedure would replace the aortic valves with synthetic or metallic material, now it's being replaced with tissue.
For a lot of patients, it's avoiding in that group of age anticoagulation for the rest of their life if they have a mechanical valve. And that becomes a big deal with the risk of bleeding. It makes things more complicated when they have surgery.
A procedure of this caliber is typically offered in somewhere like New York or California. So what's it doing here in Montana?
We've worked hard in building one of the best cardiology programs in the region, period. And what sets us apart from other cardiology programs is the depth of service that we provide.
Advancements in technology, interventional procedures, and creativity have allowed for world-class physicians like Dr. Malte to bring these types of procedures to Great Falls.
In order to have that team approach, making sure the patient's part of the plan of care and the future so they can get well, get home, and live decades to come.
Great Falls, Quentin Shores, MTN News.